Good morning. It is day 6 of the sugar diet coming from Carnivore. I weighed in at 163.1 today. Yesterday I was 164.4. So we're down 1.3 pounds since yesterday. Yeah, that's exciting. Remember though, my start weight was 163.3, so I'm technically only down 0.2 pounds from the start. But that means that we're getting rid of all the water weight that I accidentally accrued from having way too much salt on days 1, 2, and possibly 3. So I think we're gonna see really good results the next day or two. I don't know if I want to do straight fruit and juice for the next one day or 3 days. I don't know if I want to keep it going just to the 1 week mark, or maybe 10 days, or maybe even 2 weeks straight water and juice, or if I want to throw in a meat day soon, because I have been having some like weird muscle pains, and like I'll talk about that in a minute. But I'm about to do my fasting blood glucose, so we're going to see what that is first. 90. All right, that's fine with me. Better record this before I drink it all. It's my smoothie. Yay, the best smoothie ever. It has been a few hours since I've eaten because I've gotten a little bit busy, so I'm just having some peaches. It's like half the can that I didn't finish last night, so eating that now. Might eat some melon, not sure. I will let you know if I do. Also have some orange juice. Also, I won't be having a walk today. For one, it's really rainy out, and two, I woke up with what feels like a pinched nerve in my lower back. I don't know if I slept weird or something is coming back that I haven't dealt with in a while. I used to have this a lot when I was eating like high protein carnivore, like doing one meal a day and lifting a lot. It's like it feels very weak, like I can't arch my back at all, really. I have to kind of just like stand, not really hunched over, but like straight-ish, kind of tilted forward slightly. So I'm hoping this goes away. I also noticed that like if I change positions in bed at night, my joints will hurt. Um, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if it's just because I'm suddenly consuming a bunch of plant foods, oxalates, all that stuff, quote unquote plant toxins, blah, 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 everything they teach you in carnivore. I don't know if it's because of that, or if it's just a coincidence, or my body's just not used to all this stuff yet. I'm gonna still give it more time. Obviously, I'm not quitting, not anytime soon. I'm just gonna see how it goes. I'm making note of everything that's happening. So I will be talking about all the positives and negatives soon that I've experienced so far. And I'm probably gonna do that on like a weekly basis as new things come up. Also, concerns. Like where's my iodine coming from? Where is my B12 coming from? I think I do have absorption issues because even on carnivore, my B12 was only at 600. And at the clinic that I was at, I will talk about that too in another video of all the things I've done leading up until now and how I got here. But the clinic I was at offered to give me a B12 shot because my B12 was kind of like on the lower end, which is weird considering all the red meat I have eaten in the last 8.5 years. A lot of red meat. So it's just strange that my B12 would be 600. You would think it would be on the higher end, but no. Also, folate. I'm not really getting a lot of folate in my diet right now because I'm not really eating any leafy greens or anything like that. But again, this isn't forever. This is just a tool to get me where I want to be, and then, figure out a way to manage my weight to keep me where I want to be. So, not forever. I'm currently taking vitamin D3, 5,000 IU a day, that I have been for like ever, because I'm forever vitamin D deficient no matter what I do. I do take methylfolate. I take 1,000 micrograms a day because I have been deficient in folic acid, or well, folate forever. I tried folic acid, it does not work. So I think I probably have the MTHFR mutation, probably. I've not been officially tested, so I can't make that claim, but just given on the absorption issues I'm having with like certain B vitamins, and also like the folate thing, really weird. A doctor randomly found that out because I came in super dizzy and like the world was spinning constantly and I didn't know what was happening. And that was like probably 6 months after I cut out eggs from my carnivore diet, which was probably the last source of folate I was getting. So yes, I'm just piecing everything together, figuring things out, taking this day by day. Like I said, I'm not converting to fruitarian. This is a I don't know. This is a trial, a phase, a tool, a stepping stone. I don't know. Maybe I will, actually. I don't know. It depends how this goes, how I feel. If I feel really good eating all fruit all the time, maybe I will. I don't know. Other than that, my energy has been pretty stable. My hunger has way lessened. Like I just went, I think 4 or 5 hours, no, longer than that without eating, and I didn't even think about food. I didn't get hungry. When I got home, I got hungry and was like, yeah, peaches. I'm also drinking some orange juice, and I'm gonna have something probably in a couple hours too. Maybe some melon, maybe a can of green beans. I don't know. Green beans kind of sound really good right now. So potentially, we'll see. Yeah. And also when I said my joints were hurting when I'm shifting positions at night in bed, it's like more of like my shoulders. Like my shoulders will kind of hurt. So let me know if you've experienced this at all too. It's just kind of weird. Just kind of weird. Oh, but also a positive that I noticed today is my muscle glycogen has been restored. And I can tell. I got up this morning, got dressed, put on some leggings, and my butt looks freaking awesome, like better than it has ever looked. Yeah, maybe TMI, but I was stoked on that. And also like my little baby biceps are like looking more filled out and nice, and they feel harder. So I'm like, hell yeah. And remember, this is just standing completely straight. It'd probably look a little better with a little arch in it, you know what I'm saying? It's about 8 p.m. and I am in the bathtub with a whole can of peaches that I fully intend to eat all of. I might even go back for some melon, but I think I'm going to end the night here, and I will give you a screenshot of everything I eat today.